What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones videos. In this video, we will be doing a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 3. So just a quick look at the box of packaging. The Google Pixel's got an image on the front. Google Pixel, the Google brand. It's got the sides, a little photo of the device, information about the device, and then some more information on the back. Team Pixel, Google. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead, open this up, take a look inside. So the first thing we're going to see is the device itself. Underneath the device, just a little holder for the device. And then we have some reading material. There's some information here about getting started with the device. There is a SIM eject tool. You will be needing that at some point. Next we have headphones, the Google Buds here. So just like that. Little directions here of how to put those on. That's kind of cool. We have a charger, the regular Type-C charger. We have some adapters down here for headphones, and then for a USB adapter. As we go down lower, there is a the little charging power cube, or the block. There is that. And now to the more interesting part, actually taking off these stickers. One big long sticker that looks like a little trifold, but there we have it. There's some cameras up here, some sensors, the regular earpiece for speaking into, and I believe these do serve as speakers when you're listening to videos, so they are there. We got 1, 2. As we take a look at the side, this side is perfectly clear. There's nothing there. Looking at the top side, there's a little sensor, I do believe, up at the top. There's a hole for a sensor. Next, we are looking on the right side, the power button, volume up and down button, and then a charger, and then there's a SIM tray as well right down here by the charging port. So that's the sides. And as we take a look at the back, regular Google, I guess, design with the little 5th or 6th, whatever that would be, of glass up top, and regular back. You have your fingerprint reader down here, the flash camera, it's a little Google branding there at the bottom. Overall, very similar to the Google Pixel 2 design. A lot of similarities that you can definitely tell it's a Google Pixel. A few things did move around, but mostly for the same. As far as cosmetic looks just about the same. So that's my quick look at the Google Pixel 3. If you guys would like to check out other tutorial videos, check out that Google Pixel 3 playlist. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.